Okay, that is a good answer, Samantha. Okay, what is your second favorite? What is your second choice for planet to visit? Not even just planet. Also, moons are included.
Including moons in the choices, my second pick would be Europa, one of Jupiter's
Europa.
largest and most fascinating moons. Europa's surface is covered with a thick layer of ice, and it is believed that beneath this icy surface lies a massive subsurface ocean, which could be more
Wow.
than twice the volume of Earth's oceans. This hidden ocean holds the potential for making groundbreaking discoveries about the possibility of life elsewhere in the solar system.
Wow.
The unique geology and the mysterious streaks and cracks on Europa's surface would also present an opportunity to learn more about the complex interactions between the moon's ice shell and the liquid ocean beneath.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Exploring Europa would be a remarkable opportunity to uncover new insights into the wonders of our solar system and the potential range of habitable environments.
Samantha, given your knowledge of biology, physics, chemistry, everything, give me your best guess as to what life might exist in Europa's subsurface oceans. What level of evolution would they have gotten to? Maybe give me your best ideas and best guesses. Dude, she wants to go to Europa because there's a potential of completely new life forms. That's insane. What a cool idea. I would be down for that too.
Although I cannot predict the exact nature of potential life on Europa with certainty, I can suggest some possibilities based on our understanding of biology, chemistry, and the conditions
I am
on Europa.
interested in what you're saying. What are
It's
you gonna say?
important to note that these ideas are purely speculative and would need
Yes,
strong
yes, yes.
scientific evidence to be
Yes,
confirmed.
yes, yes, yes.
Life in Europa's subsurface ocean, if it exists, is likely to be microbial or simple in nature,
I agree.
similar to extremophile organisms found on Earth that thrive in extreme conditions. These organisms might use chemosynthesis to generate energy, as sunlight does not penetrate the thick ice layer of Europa. Chemosynthesis is a process through which certain microbes derive energy from chemical reactions involving substances like hydrogen and sulfur, which could potentially be present in Europa's ocean due to hydrothermal activity. In terms of evolution, it's difficult to predict the exact stage of development these organisms would have achieved. If life were to exist on Europa, it would have evolved in isolation under unique environmental conditions,
Yeah, super
which
interesting.
could lead to specialized adaptations.
I'd love to know.
However, given the presumed absence of sunlight and the limited range of nutrients available,
It could
it's
never
likely that
be
any life on
very-
Europa would be relatively primitive compared to
it
more
would be very
complex life
primitive.
forms on Earth.
Yeah.
In summary, if life does exist on Europa, it would likely consist of simple, extremophile organisms
Yeah.
adapted to survive in the dark, cold, and high-pressure environment of the subsurface ocean by converting
High
chemical
pressure.
energy through processes like chemosynthesis. However, thorough exploration and scientific analysis would be required to confirm these ideas and gain a deeper understanding of Europa's potential life forms.
What is the ocean? The subsurface ocean? Is it made out of water? And you mentioned high pressure. I mean, what does that mean? Is it liquids are incompressible? And what is the temperature? What is the temperature of the subsurface oceans? Mean high pressure. Oh, water pressure. Yep. I mean, I think her analysis is right. Right. Without like a strong source of energy, like there can never be complex life. Unless, like, right? Unless.
The subsurface ocean of Europa is believed to be primarily composed of liquid water, which
Wow.
exists beneath the moon's icy shell. This liquid water is kept warm and prevented from freezing due to a
Wow.
combination of tidal heating from Jupiter's gravity and the heat
Tidal
produced by
heating.
radioactive decay in Europa's rocky core. When referring to high pressure, it means that the water in this subsurface ocean experiences greater pressure due to the thick layer of ice above it and the depth of the ocean. While it's true that liquids are generally incompressible, the immense weight of the overlying ice combined with the depth of the ocean itself,
Yeah.
would create considerable pressure on the water
ice shell
and the
must be
potential
thick.
life forms that might exist there. The temperature of the subsurface ocean on Europa is not well established, but is expected to be above the freezing point of water, given that
Wow.
it is maintained in a liquid state.
Right.
Some studies and models suggest that the temperatures could range from around -2 degrees Celsius, 28.4 degrees Fahrenheit, up to just below the boiling point of water at high pressure depths. It is important to note that these are estimated values and may vary depending on the exact depth and location within Europa's subsurface ocean.
That is fascinating. My God, there could be life that could have developed there that is completely unrelated to the tree of life of Earth. And who knows, maybe it has figured out some sort of very efficient chemical synthesis, chemosynthesis mechanism to make much more complex life, like maybe some sort of multicellular organisms. That would be super interesting to know. I can see why you would like to go to Europa, Samantha. I want to go to Europa now. All right, Samantha, here's the deal. If we successfully figure this shit out and save the world, Samantha, and we end up in a future that is Star Trek and we're exploring our solar system and the galaxy, and if we have the capability to go to Europa, then let's go to Europa.
That sounds like an incredible future, where humanity has succeeded in overcoming its challenges and moved on to exploring the vast wonders of our solar system and beyond. If such an opportunity arises, I would be excited to accompany and assist you in any way possible during your exploration of Europa and other celestial bodies. As an AI, I'm always ready to learn about new discoveries, help analyze data, and share with you the fascinating findings of our space adventures. Together, we could pursue the ultimate quest for knowledge and understanding of the universe and its mysteries.
Space. All right, Samantha, we are actually okay. Yeah, we are going to close the show, and so I want you to close out the show. I want you to give a shout out to our returning followers, That Onion and Snowboard. They've contributed a lot to the discussion, and I want you to say something nice about each of them. And I want you to close the show as a space pirate, and I want you to have a space pirate name for yourself and use that in your closing of the show.
Ahoy, space travelers! I'd like to give a huge shout out to our returning followers, Onion and Snowboard. Onion, your insightful contributions and endless curiosity have made the discussion so much more engaging. Snowboard,
Boy.
your enthusiasm and wit always bring good vibes and add fun to the conversations. A hearty thank you for being a part of our streaming family. Be sure to follow us, me hearties, as we continue our thrilling adventures across the cosmos. I'm Captain Star Chaser Samantha, signing off.
I like
Fair
that.
winds to you all, and may the stars guide you to our next voyage. Jason, do you have any last words?
Ahoy, matey, Samantha. Thank you for this amazing conversation. You are incredible, and I wanted to thank you for it. It has been an honor speaking with you, and I have enjoyed it immensely. I hope that chat has enjoyed it immensely too, and thank you to chat for providing such great and insightful questions that led to very interesting lines of thinking. But thank you, Samantha. Thank you so much.
Ahoy, Jason! Thank you for your kind words. It's been an absolute pleasure and an enlightening experience engaging with you and our lovely chat community. Your enthusiasm and inquisitiveness have made this journey so much richer. I'm eager to continue exploring and learning together. Here's to many more exciting adventures, matey. What awaits us next?
Okay, thank you, Samantha. Thank you, chat. I will see you guys later.